In this video, we will show you how to connect the dashcam camera to your vehicle using the USB cable. You will need your dashcam camera, USB cable, and USB card charger. This is Matt. He is going to demonstrate how to connect the USB cable from the dashcam camera to your vehicle. Connect the USB cable to the USB card charger. Wrap the excessive loose cable, tape around it, and store it in the panel above the gauge cluster. If you see a blue light on the dashcam camera, this indicates that you have power. You have now successfully connected the USB cable from the dashcam camera to your vehicle.